What's up, everybody? Never done anything like this before, so this is interesting to me. I don't know what to do with my hand. That's good. Pocket is good. So yeah, just kind of wanted to give an update about what I have coming up in the future on this channel. First of all, I want to say thank you to everybody that has watched or been watching and commenting. It's been awesome to have people dig what I'm putting out. I think the number one comment, truck coming. I picked a terrible spot to do this, by the way. Just right off the side of the road. But I think the number one comment has been, what pipes are those? And they are Vance & Hines short shots, no baffles. They sound amazing. When I went to buy this bike, I found it on Facebook Marketplace, and a buddy and I went to meet up with a guy to get it, and he drove to the same place to meet us, and I heard the bike before I saw it coming down the road, and I looked over at my buddy and I was like, oh shoot, I'm gonna buy this bike. And I bought it, and it's been awesome. It's been a great bike. I've had it for 3 years, and it has been an old, trusty, reliable piece of machinery, as Hondas tend to be. But anyway, future of the channel, what I got going on coming up here. In the past, a buddy and I from Ohio have met up every year for the past, this will be the third annual motorcycle trip we've met up for. And we've decided this year to do just outside of Lexington, Kentucky, in the Red River Gorge area, Daniel Boone National Park, all that. That's what we're going to get. We're going to get an Airbnb out there. That will be the end of May, very beginning of June. So basically what would be awesome is if you guys have any suggestions, if you've been there before. I've been, like Google Mapsing the road and stuff just to see what kind of roads are around there, and it looks like some awesome twisties, good riding. Obviously you're going to hit the Nada Tunnel, or however you pronounce it. But all of that stuff, and it's like a 5.5 hour ride for me. I'll be avoiding highways, so it'll be about 5.5, and I'm going to film as much as I can of that, and then obviously a bunch of riding around down there, and maybe like some B-roll stuff of the Airbnb and just hanging out with my buddy Noah. So another car. I just realized too, I just saw it in the rear view, my collar's been popped really weird this whole time, so that's nice. But yeah, any suggestions you might have if you've ridden there before, if you live in that area, any suggestions for good rides, cool things to see, I'm totally open to all that. So yeah, that's what I got coming up, and I'll just be posting the regular no talking rides as much as I can whenever I'm able to get out. I have a son who's about to be 1, so getting out and riding is a little bit difficult, but I just pop out for a half hour, 45 minutes whenever I can. So definitely am not the old road dog I used to be, but that's okay. It's a new exciting season of life, having a kid. So but yeah, I think that's all I got to say. I might stick the camera, I have a little mount on my back peg. I might stick the camera there for the way home. So, but yeah, again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking the videos and subscribing and leaving comments. I have no ambitions with this channel. It was to promote a t-shirt business that I was trying to get off the ground, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna close up shop here probably within the next few months, just because it's not going well at all. So yeah, but I'm just gonna keep posting videos because why not? It's fun, and I live in a really cool area of the country, I think, for riding. I live in Middle Tennessee, so I came from Ohio, so maybe I'm jaded in that perspective of coming from Ohio, where the roads are less twisty and less hilly, to this area of the country that is tons of twisties, lots of good hills. I'm just like totally stoked to be here and riding here, and I want to share that with some people. So if you like what you see, awesome. I guess that's why you're here. So, all right. Thanks for watching.